Let's move on to the first question. Sin theta plus cosecant theta is equal to, then sin square theta plus cosecant square theta is equal to. Squaring on both sides, we will get sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 4, 2 square 4. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into sin theta and cosecant theta are reciprocal to each other. 2 into 1 is equal to 4. Therefore sin square theta plus cosecant square theta is equal to 4 minus 2. Therefore sin square theta plus cosecant square theta is equal to 2. Therefore the option is B. Option is B. Next question, tan theta minus cot theta is equal to 1, then tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to. Tan theta minus cot theta is equal to, squaring on both sides, tan theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 square 1. So tan square theta a minus b whole square, tan square theta plus cot square theta minus 2 tan theta into cot theta, a plus b square minus 2ab, 1 square 1. So tan theta and cot theta are reciprocal to each other, therefore it will become 1. Tan square theta plus cot square theta minus 1 is equal to 2, 1 plus 2, 3. Therefore the option is A. Sin 750 degrees is equal to sin 2 into 360 plus 30. 260 is 360 is 720, 720 plus 30. Sin 360 plus theta, sin theta, sin 30 1 by 2. So therefore 1 by 2 is the option. So 1 by root 1 plus tan square theta. 1 by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. 1 by root 1 plus tan square theta. 1 by root secant square theta. Secant square theta root secant theta. 1 by secant theta is equal to cos theta. Therefore the option is B. Next question, 1 minus secant square theta plus tan square theta minus cot square theta plus cosecant square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Secant square theta minus secant square theta, when you observe the last two terms, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta, this is the third trigonometric equation. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta 1. So secant square get cancelled. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Option is A. Now let us observe the next question. Tan 48 plus tan 42 by 1 minus tan 48 and tan 42 is in the form of tan A plus B tan 90. Option is A1. Let's move on to the seventh question. Sin A plus B into cos A minus B plus sin A minus B into cos A plus B. Sin A plus B can be written as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Cos A minus B can be written as cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So on removing these brackets by multiplication, sin A cos A into cos square B plus sin square A cos B sin B plus cos square A into sin B cos B plus cos A sin A into sin square B. Second term multiplication, sin A cos A into cos square B minus sin square A sin B cos B minus cos square A into cos A into sin B, cos square A into sin B cos B plus cos A sin A into sin square B. On removing the like terms with different symbols, sin square A cos B sin B, sin square A cos B sin B, sin square A sin B cos B, sin square A cos B sin B, sin square A sin B cos B get cancelled. Similarly, cos square A sin B cos B minus cos square A cos B sin B cos B get cancelled. Therefore, the remaining terms are sin A cos A into cos square B plus sin A cos A into sin square B. By taking sin A cos A common in these two, sin A cos A into cos square B plus sin square B, sin A cos A into cos square B plus sin square B. So 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A is equal to sin 2A. Therefore the option is B. Tan 1 degrees into tan 2 degrees into and so on into tan 89 degrees. When you observe this analogy, so tan 1 into tan 2 into so on into tan 45 into tan 88 into tan 89. So tan 88 can be written as tan 90 minus 2 degrees tan 89, tan 90 minus 1 degrees. Therefore, so we can write after 45, tan 45, these two are complementary angles. Therefore, 1 and 89 are complementary, 2 and 88 are complementary, 3 and 87 are complementary. In this way, we get two set of complementary angles. Therefore, tan 90 minus 2 degrees, tan 90 minus 1 degrees, like this. Therefore, tan 1 into cot 1, 1, tan 2 into cot 2, 1, and so on into tan 45. Therefore, 1 into 1 into 1 into and so on into 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, the option is A. Next, similarly, you can observe here that 74 and 16 degrees are complementary. Therefore, 16 degrees can be written as 90 minus 74. Sin square 74 plus sin square of 90 minus 74. Sin 90 minus theta cos theta. Therefore, sin square 74 plus cos square 74 is equal to 1. Therefore, the option is A. Let's come to the next question. If A plus B is equal to pi by 2. A plus B is equal to pi by 2 means sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. Therefore, it is set of complementary angles. Therefore, A plus B is equal to pi by 2. B is equal to pi by 2 minus A. Sin square A plus B can be replaced by pi by 2 minus A. Sin 90 minus theta cos theta, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Therefore, the option is C. Cos 0 degrees plus root 2 into sin 45 plus sin A is equal to 3. Then A is equal to cos 0 value is equal to corresponding value of cos 0 is equal to 1. Root 2 into sin 45 1 by root 2 plus sin A is equal to 3. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus sin A is equal to 3. Sin A is equal to 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. Sin A is equal to 1. So therefore, what is the corresponding value of 1 in sin? A is equal to 90 degrees. Sin 90 is equal to 1. Therefore, A is equal to 90 degrees. So sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta plus 3 sin square theta cos square theta is equal to. So here, let us apply one technique here. Sin power 6 theta can be written as sin square theta whole cube plus cos power 6 theta can be written as cos square theta whole cube plus 3 sin square theta cos square theta into 1. Because we are going to write the entire expression in terms of sin square and cos square. Sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube plus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. This 1 I am going to write this sin square theta plus cos square theta. Because why are we writing like this? Because it is in the form of, let us consider sin square theta is equal to A and cos square theta is equal to B. Therefore, it is in the form of A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B is equal to A plus B whole cube. Therefore, sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 cube is equal to 1. So, what is the corresponding value of sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta plus 3 sin square theta cos square theta? In the answer, A is equal to 1. Therefore, the option is A. Next question. Tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 is equal to. Here, this 1, we are going to write this 1 as in terms of, we are going to write this 1 in terms of secant and tan. So what is the second trigonometric equation? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Instead of this one, we are writing secant square theta minus tan square theta. Therefore, tan theta plus secant theta minus, instead of 1, we are writing secant square theta minus tan square theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Therefore, this secant square theta minus tan square theta is in the form of A square minus B square. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Therefore, tan theta plus secant theta remains the same minus secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. So, what is the common factor here? Tan theta plus secant theta, tan theta plus secant theta. When you bring out, it is a common factor, tan theta plus secant theta. Tan theta plus secant theta into 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. These two terms get cancelled. We are getting secant theta plus tan theta. Secant can be written as 1 by cos because secant is the reciprocal of cos 1 by cos. Tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. So therefore, we are getting the answer 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So therefore, tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 is equal to. Therefore, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So what is the option here? 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So therefore, the option is C. Option is C. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta.